Hello ma'am, nungainaribo ngasidi Halloween preparation khara ulake ko. Ado Halloween is very American thing but moi shwai this to kya tawna de ko. Ado anyway yumda here and there khara prepare tawre ula age yengminarasi ko. Hello ma'am, I Halloween gine usa khara thekpa lakpane. Ing yamna jungle ji ta ijong. Ko yumni ko mamang se. Sida kano lai ching dawna tawba man lai sidagi. ꯑꯀꯪꯕ ꯈꯔ ꯄꯨꯔ ꯆꯠꯀꯦ ꯌꯨꯝꯗ ꯑꯣꯀꯦ ꯌꯦꯡꯃꯤꯟꯅꯔꯁꯦ ꯎꯁꯥꯗꯤ ꯂꯩꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯑꯩ ꯂꯥꯝ ꯐꯪꯗꯣꯏ ꯃꯥꯟꯗꯦ ꯀꯤꯖꯩ ꯏꯊꯟꯗꯒ ꯂꯥꯛꯄꯅꯤꯅ ꯈꯔ ꯑꯅꯦꯝꯕ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯊꯤꯔꯒꯦ ꯑꯅꯦꯝꯕ ꯑꯥꯗ ꯂꯩꯔꯦꯀꯣ ꯀꯤꯖꯩꯌꯦ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯌꯨꯝꯅꯤꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯩꯁꯦ ꯁꯤꯒꯤꯁꯤꯅ ꯃꯤꯇꯧ ꯇꯝꯕꯒꯤ ꯋꯥ ꯅꯠꯇꯦꯀꯣ but I got another reason to decorate my house so that's the fun part ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ husbandꯁꯦ everyday he gonna see ꯌꯨꯝꯗ ꯑꯅꯧ ꯑꯅꯧꯕ ꯄꯣꯠ ꯄꯨꯁꯜꯂꯛꯇꯣꯏꯅꯦ ꯎꯆꯦꯛꯅ ꯆꯦꯜꯂꯒ ꯄꯨꯔ ꯂꯥꯛꯄꯒꯤ ꯇꯥꯏꯞꯇ ꯑꯁꯤꯁꯤꯅ ꯀꯥꯏꯗꯩꯅꯣ ꯑꯁꯤꯁꯤꯅ ꯀꯥꯏꯗꯒꯤꯅꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ hanga ꯂꯩꯌꯦꯕ but this is how I spend my day at the time I decorate my room clean the house and at the free time I also try to learn Finnish at the same time. So ngasi se I was thinking to make cute buns related to Halloween atai ai khud se am thina shok reba otherwise I was thinking to prepare lots of snacks but adugi si gi do sem baju se am wana semi ko ngasi de khud se suya yadre hantak ki week se thajure khud ahum lag sho e thangna ahum la yan that chare ithanda kaidori no khangde ai chak thongba khar lepte yaro asengbagi ado si do se prepare tawre ko kai kai no hapchallaga bread sema age ahanba da is bread try tawbana do fluffy oy so ayadaba do ai hanjan yeng kan yeast haptabi oilerame do hadakti hape do phajana tane di thajai adi yinarasiko some candies for trick and treats laaga angang da pige tawbane si se thambirage magi leireko thok thawage smell hapage yenge ko takte yam haiba hitaba khagale lo chandra smell ko atu pumpkin gi kano bread semge tawbani ko dudo khud se yadadana phajana di taw yadre da horen yenga se kamaina tabano haibado hapchangrage lawtho yengage fajadra wow ay chocolate nandar fajadra chata thongora hello ma'am ngasi de aigi neighbor gi angai bani Halloween tawsena haidabani ko madu magi mama do kan Paris to chaki go thaba magi already costume layega dugi I invited her over in our house no one else I have made some snacks for her atai kam naite ko aduga yum khara decor tawre aduna yamna mara ngai boy ngasi de room tour age ko ingminarase Sisina akogi entrance niko welcome to our house whole area wedding pictures akogi se 1 BHK apartment niko the decor macha tawre si ai thok layer this is my costume oops see thongno sam phajabane tadagi study area amane mungda loi pushalla e manamdi kano tawba yadare kahidi winter yosalakpagine te hingu yadare imungda pushalla e yenge hingadra hingoidra ide come to our kitchen aina tawba decor ne yeng sema layer hall sisina akogi bedroom Your favorite corner ni ko yum sige. And yeah. See the shoe racks. Winter clothes khara thamme. Aduka Sona. Yemotu. She said Finland ladies yum kudingi shona yavi got that. That's the best part. So how is it? The bun is ready. I'm trying to remove the thread. Yengo. Lay man ge thole to. How did how it got butter cam hapong gadam ni katang what kre. Seasonal choco chips cookies with marshmallow ni ko. Chana baputho age ngang sula ani. Yengo how radra yengo. Atay me am prepare to bani abani ko do ai khud se yaad re do na kya thi se do mona rage ko. Kasidi.
I was a ghost, I was in love. Now watching. Kids will get it. It was a truth. To believe.
You can have that.
What is this called? Marshmallows, right?
I bought it for you only.
Marshmallows are good.
Be a part of me.
Ado I dress up tawraga dadaga mu dada in city de koi bu biyo yining haraga thole in ko ado aina sare je ghost bride ne se chala lak pana rai bama yengo ngo bi di malamani soidana mayam na jo engonda luhongi ra ngasi na Mo shi da light show tawre ta hange no la pana kama kom sa It was really fun and productive day for me. Adong city and I really hope that you guys enjoyed it. Mathang da mug theng na rasiko. I'll come with new content. Bye bye.